How is scientific study carried out? Explain. Scientific study is carried out through a systematic process called the scientific method. Observation, noticing a problem or event. Question, asking why or how it happened. Hypothesis, making a possible explanation. Experiment, testing the hypothesis. Data collection, recording results. Conclusion, deciding whether the hypothesis is correct or not. Explain the interrelationship among different fields of science. Different fields of science like physics, chemistry, and biology are related to each other. Physics explains energy and force semester. Okay. Continent, energy and force chemistry explain substances and relations in biology. What is the achievement of science in transportation? In transportation, advanced and efficient technologies have been utilized in land, air, and water. What happened in Fukushima in 2011 AD? In 2011 AD, a nuclear disaster occurred at the Fukushima power plant due to an earthquake and tsunami. What branch of science is organ transportation related to? Organ transportation is related to the branch of medical science. What is science? Make a list of science categories of science. Science is the systematic study of natural world through observation and experiment. Main categories of science are physical science, life science, earth science. Define scientific notation and write down its importance. Scientific notation expresses number as 10 to the power 1 bracket 1 is less or equal to a is less than 10. Its importance are easy to write, saves time, reduces error. What rules should be considered while writing scientific notation? Rules of scientific notation are number must be between 1 and 10. Use base 10 if the decimal left power is positive. If the decimal moves right, power is negative. What is the safe and correct way of diluting an acid? The safe way of diluting an acid is to add acid slowly in water while stirring. What are the challenges associated with a nuclear power plant? The risks associated with a nuclear power plant are risk of nuclear accidents, high cost of setup, environmental and health hazards, disposal of radioactive waste. Express the number in scientific notation. 1028 is equal to 1.028 into 10 to the power 3. The knowledge of science which is obtained by scientific research based on scientific methods is known as scientific learning. Steps of scientific learning are observation and asking questions, performing the background study, performing hypotheses, managing the required materials, testing with an experiment, getting the result, drawing conclusion, communicating the result. What is laboratory safety? Laboratory studies living thing. Biology we uses chemistry, physics, and biology, chemistry, life process. So all branches of science are connected and depend on each other. Different fields of science like physics, chemistry, and biology are related to each other. Physics explain and for chemistry explains substances and relations. In biology studies biology. Huh? Mm. What rules should be considered while writing scientific notation? Rules of scientific notation are: number must be between 1 and 10. If the decimal moves left, power is positive. If the decimal moves right, power is negative.